Hello and welcome to Campus News 24 into 7. Today we will be talking about what's going in today's educational world. IIT Kanpur to organize Udghosh National Open School Quiz as part of annual sports festival. Tamil Nadu NEET UG 2023 counselling schedule for round 2 released. Pondicherry Lt Governor urges political parties to not mislead students regarding NEET. As Delhi University orders increase in number of students in tutorials, teachers and students complained of irregularity. Anand Kumar of Super says keep moving forward and never change your path. UGC draft guidelines to recognize foreign degrees, bars online or distance mode. NLU Delhi begins registration for All India Law Entrance Test 2024, introduces changes and launches new PhD degree. Most government school of Bihar doesn't have proper boundary wall and lack of functional toilets. Thank you, and for watching more videos like this, do subscribe our channel Campus News 24 into 7.